If your Nintendo Switch is stuck on an update, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and get your console back to normal. Step 1. Restart the console. Begin by performing a simple restart of your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the console powers off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Go to the system settings, select internet, and test your connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve update issues. Go to system settings, select data management, then save data cloud backup. Choose the game that is stuck and delete any unnecessary data. Step 4. Update the system manually. If the automatic update fails, try updating manually. Go to system settings, select system, then system update. This may prompt the console to check for updates again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo support. They can provide further assistance and help troubleshoot the issue more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue on your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.